Hello, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to this. This is episode 16 of what we are doing on set. This is 2 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 2 root what? 2. Remember, these are fractions. So in solving fraction, you find the LCM of the denominators. In this case, we combine the two denominators. So if I combine them, it becomes 3 plus 2 root 2 multiplying 3 minus 2 root what? 2. It means that when this divide this, it cancels itself, remaining the one with the minus, which will multiply the 2, meaning 2 into bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. When this also divide the whole of this, it cancels itself, remaining this multiplying 1, which will remain 3 plus 2 root what? 2. Let's expand the top there. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4 root 2 plus 3, 2 root 2 divided by this is 3. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 minus and plus, meaning difference of 2 squared. So 3 squared minus 2 root 2 all squared. This is a difference of 2 squared. Or we can just say conjugate set or conjugate pair. We talked about that in the previous episode. Now, rational plus rational, irrational plus irrational. So this is going to be, let's put them together in the form of 6 plus 3, then 4 plus 2, all carrying the root of 2. So we pick only the numbers in front of the root, since they are similar set. So we have 3 squared, 9, minus, in the case of this is just like AB all squared, which is the same as A squared, B squared. So if you square the 2, you get 4. If you square the root of 2, you get 2. So 4 times 2, that will give you what? 8. Alright, here we go. This will give you 9 on top here, plus 6, the root of what? 2. So this will be the final answer. Or we can still look for a common factor of 3, dividing this as 3, dividing this as 2, the root of what? 2. We can leave it this way, or even leave it in the first instance. In most cases, they will let you to leave your answer in the form P plus Q, the root of 2. It means this will not work. If you are asked to leave it means we need a whole number. So P will be 9. Then the one in front of the root will be Q. So Q will be 6. But if we're not giving that form, like we are just asked to simplify, our final answer can go in this direction. I believe concept is clear. Like the video, share, comment, and subscribe.